Once the geometry and the deletion area are drawn, I can create and save the block. For this, I'm going to select all the drawing and then click on the Create Redefine Block icon. A window pops up. Here I can see a preview of the block, including the deletion area. First, I'm going to name the block. Now I can set the insertion point with the block axis. To do this, I click on this button and then select in the geometry the origin of its axis. The origin will work as the insertion point to place the block in the drawing. In this case, I select the top left corner. You'll see the coordinates updated in the origin field. As you can see, the block consists of 12 elements, which are 9 lines, 2 polygons, and the hatch for the deletion area. Now I click OK to save the block in my library. I would be able to choose between different file formats, but in this case, I'll use the default format and then save the block. To import a saved block, I'll open a project in progress and click on the Insert Block icon. Now click on File and locate the saved block. After setting some basic parameters, click on OK and you'll see the block ready to be inserted. If you use the block color line to draw the geometry of the block, you will be able to change its color. Use the different insertion methods and then click to place the block. As you can see, the deletion area is now hiding the information beneath the block.